Alberta has the second highest rate of infection John was mentioning. Manitoba is the province with the highest rate, and it is under much heavier restrictions as of this morning. Manitobans are waking up to what is their second lockdown of the year, a province-wide code red to try to tamp down the second wave. As Cameron McIntosh reports, nobody knows exactly how long the lockdown will last this time.
This morning, Winnipeg is locked down, Manitoba is locked down. What people are waking up to here is a situation much like last spring, with some notable exceptions. For one, schools are open, and the list of businesses deemed essential is rather long, including grocery stores. Still, there is distress here, and we have seen some panic buying. There were long lineups outside of grocery stores yesterday. That's because people don't really know how long this is going to go. Provincial health officials have suggested at least 4 weeks, 2 incubation cycles. Basically, they're saying right now Manitoba is at a crossroads with its healthcare system. The COVID infection rate here is the worst in the country, and that's starting to be felt in ICUs, which right now are at near capacity, with 1/3 of those patients being COVID patients. So that's why they've opted for this, the quote-unquote circuit breaker, to try to drive those numbers down. But it's bringing with it a lot of fear and a lot of anxiety, particularly among business owners that had to shut down for 2 months earlier this year, wondering if they can get through it all again. The province has already promised some money, and today there will be a federal funding announcement to put some aid towards small business in Manitoba. And there's also plenty of criticism, much of it directed at the provincial government, for reopening Manitoba too quickly through the summer and for not doing enough to prepare in the fall. Still, Manitobans polled last week indicated that they support some sort of short-term drastic measure like this one to try to get COVID back under control. This, of course, is a province that basically flattened its curve last spring and through much of the summer, and is now facing a long winter of trying to do it all over again. Cameron McIntosh, CBC News, Winnipeg.